Hi, and welcome back to Twirl Craft Studio. I am so excited to have you here today. On this episode, we're going to turn oops into that was totally intentional. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button and let's dive in.
Today, I'm attempting something I probably should have researched better: decoupaging a Murphy desk that has already been stained, sealed, and has a personality of its own.
Let's see if this is going to work. This is stained, so I'm not sure if the Mod Podge is going to stick to the stain, but we are going to find out.
Will I regret all my life choices halfway through? Stay tuned. Before we start, here's the twist. I'm not only showing you how I did it, but also the 6 things I would totally do differently if I had a time machine. So basically, learn from me what not to do. You're welcome. Here's what I used, and in some cases should have used correctly: 120 grit sandpaper, rubbing alcohol or water if you're rebellious, Mod Podge, Matted Plus, shiny top coat, these gorgeous floral napkins, link below if you want them, paintbrush, sharp blade, something to smooth the napkin that isn't your hand, and patience. I had some. So this Murphy desk was all cute and functional, but the panels were just boring. And I thought, let's add floral decoupage. How hard could it be? I started by sanding the surface, just to scratch it up so the Mod Podge would stick. I then took some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. I used floral napkins, super cute, super fragile, super dramatic. If napkins had feelings, they'd cry when they tear. I did this one napkin at a time so the Mod Podge wouldn't dry out. Choose a napkin with a lot of patterns. It will hide any imperfections. It was fairly easy to line these patterns up. We do not talk about the wrinkles that occurred. Sealing the napkins in with a coat of shiny Mod Podge. This step is very satisfying. It just flattens any parts that have bubbled. If it's not my dog or cat casually strolling through my shot like they own the place, it's my husband or son wandering in like, oh, hey, is this a live recording? Don't cut away the excess napkins. At first, I was really impatient, and that was a mistake. Learn from me. 6 things I would do differently. Let's rapid fire this. 1. Prime the surface so the white in the napkin pops. 2. Use a bigger brush, not a toddler-sized one. 3. Cut the napkins to fit before gluing. 4. Use fresh Mod Podge, not the last 2 inches of a clumpy jar. 5. Going slow does not prevent rips. 6. Let it fully dry before trimming the edges. Good news, everything is fixable. Just cut out a flower, patch the part that didn't work, and pretend it was planned. Okay, but look at it. It's floral. It's bold. It's giving vintage garden cottage meets functional office lady vibes. And honestly, even with the mistakes, I kind of love it. Will it stick forever? Let's just say, if this starts peeling in 6 months, I'll pretend it's boho distressing. So now I need to know, would you try decoupaging a stained surface? Should I seal it with polyacrylic or just pray to the craft gods? Do you want a how to do it the right way follow-up video? Hit like if you enjoy watching me learn the hard way. This is Twirl Craft Studio, reminding you, if it sticks, it's meant to be. If it peels, it's vintage now. See you in the next one.